The day one, we got to know about 5 changes, and for today, we are going to know another 5 changes. If you have not watched the day one video, the link is given in the description below. Do watch it to know the first 5 changes or tips and share it with your loved ones. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get into today's video. Today, we have another 5 changes or tips. So, firstly, we have this question. Can you guess what it is? The cute little round yellow color on the screen? Yes, it's the sun. So, what? Why have you put the sun on the screen? Maybe your question. Or maybe you would have found what I'm gonna talk about. It's vitamin D, the nutrient. Vitamin D is nothing but a fat soluble vitamin that's very important for bone health and the proper functioning of your immune system. Every cell in your body has a receptor for this vitamin D, which indicates the importance of it. This vitamin D is usually found in very few foods, but fatty seafoods generally contain the highest amounts. You know what? Approximately 1 billion people around the globe are deficient in vitamin D. Second, omega 3 fatty acids. These are another commonly lacking nutrient that's found in fatty seafood. They help in reducing inflammation, maintaining heart health, and promoting proper brain function. Then what are you waiting for? If you're not having the fatty seafood regularly, just see to the supplements and take them properly. Secondly, today we have proteins. Proteins, as you all know, it's the king of nutrients, and it does seem to have some superpowers. Due to its ability to affect your hunger and satiety hormones, it's often considered the most filling of the macronutrients. One study that I got through showed that eating a high protein meal decreased levels of ghrelin, the hunger hormone, more than a high carb meal in people with obesity. Also, protein helps you retain muscle mass and may also slightly increase the number of calories you burn per day. What else do we need? You know what? It also prevents the loss of muscle mass that can occur with weight loss as per your age. Why are we waiting for? Let's consume protein every day. Next, water. The main essential thing we have in our lives, day to day life. Drinking enough water is more important for your health. That's the first benefit you do to your health. Many studies have shown that drinking water can increase weight loss and promote weight maintenance, and it may also slightly increase the number of calories you burn each day. See, that's the biggest advantage we have in our every tips. That is also said, the most important thing is to drink water instead of other beverages. This may drastically reduce your intake of sugar and calories. Automatically, your appetite, the food intake you have, everything changes. Drinking water regularly may also be linked to improved diet quality and could decrease your calorie intake from beverages. Just drink water regularly and keep your diet healthy. Next, what is this? A girl, sweet girl, sitting and mixing up something in the bowl. It's nothing. The way you prepare your food can drastically change its effects on your health. Grilling, broiling, frying, and deep frying are all popular methods of preparing meat and fish. However, during these types of cooking methods, several potentially toxic compounds are formed, which include polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, advanced glycation end products, and many more. I don't actually know another, so many more. All of these compounds have been linked to several health conditions. It may also include cancer, and heart disease. That's so pathetic, right? So, what can be the healthier way of cooking methods? Let's see few. Slow cooking, stewing, pressure cooking, poaching, baking. These methods don't promote the formation of these harmful compounds and may make your food healthier. So, why not? Try those. Although you can still enjoy the occasional grilled or deep fried dish, it's best to use those methods sparingly. Next, wow, the pizzas, burgers, fast foods, I love them, man. It's yum. Hello, excuse me, stop dreaming. It's yum, but it's too dangerous for our health. I mean, for our diet, first of all. You know why? Because they are so unhealthy foods. Eating out doesn't have to involve unhealthy foods every time. We must also consider upgrading our favorite fast food restaurant to one with healthier options, to follow some healthier food habits. I know it's difficult at the beginning, but let's gradually change ourselves. There are many healthy fast food restaurants and fusion kitchens offering healthy and delicious meals. They may just be great replacement for your favorite burger and pizza joint. What's more, you can generally get these meals at a very decent price. Just try these. Why not? Let's give it a try. Thank you all. Stay tuned for other 15 tips or changes that you have to make on your healthy food habits. Let's see tomorrow. Bye bye.